Hi friends, today we will see Virupaksh temple built in 11th century by Vijayanagar Empire, Krishna Devaraya, and then later extended in 16th century by Devaraya II. So this is the main entrance. This is the most sacred temple in Hampi, situated at the Hemakuta hillocks. This is the inner area. You can see the entire area that I've shown. People usually come for cover to this place in the Shravan Mahina. So you can see how they are bringing in God with them to take water and then for Shivji. There are different shrines on the walls and there are even Ranga Mandapas on the ceilings. Very beautiful temple, built so long back. That's what we think, like it is built generations of before, almost like 15 generations before. Sage Matanga prayed to Lord Shiva to bless him with a child, and a daughter was born who was an incarnation of Parvati. So Shiva himself was requested by Matanga sage to marry his daughter. So he took an incarnation of Kinneshwara and then married here in this temple Parvati. And the footprints that you are currently seeing is of Sri Vidyaranya, based on whose rules still now all the pujas are being done here. So there are footprints just in front of the deity. Everywhere you can see handwritten notes in 4 different languages, and this is like how a Vijayanagar Empire man is or should be, that's depicted in the form of animals. This is a beautiful place where you can see on the ceilings that all the god and goddesses statues or paintings, hand paintings, which is called as Rangamandap, is being done. There are multiple monkeys here and there. They usually come picking all the flowers and the food items that you eat. Inside we have Garbhagriha, where the water flows from the Tungabhadra river himself, and each day puja is being done in this manner. It was a beautiful scene to look at. So all the people are following here inside the Garbhagriha, where you will be able to see the main god Shiva amidst water which comes from Tungabhadra river. The canal system also of Vijayanagar Empire is awesome. There is a Pushkarini where you'll be able to see water still present there. So here I'm walking inside the Garbhagriha. So Nandi stands there. There's an inverted statue, and Lakshmi elephant is 37 years old. She blesses everybody after taking a note. So this is the Pushkarini river, where this has a religious significance, and there are 5 steps everywhere which has a meaning for praying to God. And this is the beautiful Tungabhadra river. So bye for now.